Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, January 13th. Well, interesting week here. If you haven't looked at these videos before, we're looking at a daily chart in a candle format. The concept is a swing trade, which means you're trying to capture the swings in the market. The solid red line means sell. Solid green line means buy, and if you see a dash line like this, that was something that happened earlier in the week. So from that sell level down to that buy level, for example, the value there was $3,100 a contract. The difference here, now look at this, the market traded just above its buy level and then it failed as it broke to the downside. As we've talked about before, risk management is essential for any trade that you put on. It's what we discussed in the foundation course. And the dollar difference here between the sell and buy level is $1,300 a contract. What do we look for on Monday? I'm looking for an inside day. Same thing here in the NASDAQ market. If we look at the dollar differences here in that market, well, here, that difference is $2,240 a contract. The dollar difference here from that sell to buy level is $5,920 a contract. I'm giving you those numbers just so you get a feel, if you're not familiar with futures, what the dollar values are in these different lines that you're seeing, the buy and sell levels. These are not buy and sell recommendations, just ideas that I'd like to share with you. Now let's take a look at what's going on in the Dow contract. The dollar difference here between the sell to buy level is $1,125 a contract. Over in the Russell, we had a few trades in here, again looking for an inside type day, and in the Russell we had $350 a contract and $500 a contract right here. That's $500 a contract. Well, look for an inside day there. The euro also broke to the downside. The US dollar maintains its strength, but look for an inside day Monday. Dollar difference from the sell to the buy level in that market is $1,650 a contract. I'm sorry, that was from this level down to that level. That's $1,650 a contract. Okay, let's move on though, and let's see what else is happening in these markets. If you look at the Swissy, dollar difference sell to buy level in that market, $1,412.50. Look for an inside day on Monday, also what I call an equal and opposite. In Mr. Yen, dollar difference there in that market, to give you a feel for that, is, let me grab that for you, $9,800 a contract. Yeah. Okay. So let's move on. Let's see what's happening in the Aussie dollar. Dollar difference there also, a previous trade, $1,160 a contract. And again, it's very similar to the other action that we've seen in these currencies. The British pound, dollar difference here in that market is $125 a contract. Sellers are here in that market. Canadian dollar did break lower, but a small dollar difference there, like $40 a contract. Sellers are still in control. Be careful here. We're approaching buy levels in that market. Bitcoin, dollar difference here between the sell to that buy level just to provide you with that reference, that is $18,825 a contract. The dollar difference here between this buy level and the previous sell level, that is $22,600 a contract. And what do we look for? We're looking for an up day on Monday. 10-year interest rate markets means the yields continue to increase and prices are breaking lower. We're seeing that also in 30-year treasuries. Dollar difference in that market is $1,312.50. And I do look for yields to continue to increase, and that means downward pressure here on price. Gold, also, the market's getting some boost when it comes to what's happening because of the uncertainty in the other parts of the market. Remember, what you're seeing in the stock market, that's not because of bad economic situation. It's there because the market wants to see the Fed to lower interest rates. And right now we've gotten some very strong numbers on Friday, economic numbers, and that supports our economy. But it also means that the Fed may not be changing interest rates anytime soon. So that's what's causing the issue there. We're seeing silver respond to that. But again, not a good sign for follow through in that market. Look for an inside type day. Dollar difference down here is $1,550 a contract. A market that I find very interesting is copper. It traded just a bit below its sell level, and the dollar difference here, the buy to sell level, is $5,500 a contract. The difference here between the sell to the buy level, $750 a contract. Be careful. This is where we've seen sellers before, and we're looking for a down day. Crude oil, dollar difference, buy to sell level, 3,600. Look for an inside day on Monday. And in nat gas, dollar difference, sell to buy level there, $1,100 a contract. Weather right now is driving that market. In soybeans, we've seen some reports that imply we're not getting the yields that people were expecting. The dollar difference here in that market is $1,550 a contract. If we look at corn, this dollar difference from that buy to that sell level is $650 a contract. Looking for an inside day on Monday. And in wheat, a market here, the sell level to the buy level is $300 a contract, and the difference here between that buy and sell level is $100 a contract. And again, notice that it traded above its buy level, but it failed. And that's why the risk management issue that we talked about is so important. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for sharing part of your day with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, on Monday. In the meantime, take care.